The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hey, this is Paul from the HumanPal team. This video that you're watching right now was our record-breaking webinar that we got the highest response that we've ever seen compared to any other webinar that we've done in the past 10 plus years. I will walk you through our entire HumanPal app that you're getting unlimited lifetime access to with no upsells, no downsells, and everything included in one price with complete transparency based on our customer feedback. This includes all the features shown on this webinar and future updates that we make in our public roadmap. The last time that we released HumanPal a couple of months back, we sold out within 24 hours, and we may close down again at any minute this time too, as we are doing a special customer appreciation deal that will be taken down at any time without notice, just like what we did last time. My team spent well over $1 million to get HumanPal to where it is today, and everyone who gets in today will get it at the lowest possible price it will ever be offered with zero limits. You can click on the button below to get instant access, including some awesome bonuses that I have for you that I will detail in just a minute, specifically for getting HumanPal on this page right below. This may be the last time you'll ever get HumanPal for such a low price with zero credits and any limitations and no monthly subscriptions. Now let me show you how the HumanPal software works. What if you could create videos just like these without ever being in front of the camera? Better yet, what if you can create these types of proven videos created by world-class designers, video production team, and crew that we've hired over the years, spending hundreds of thousands of dollars, and just create these types of videos in a few clicks and convert any text into mesmerizing videos like these in just a few minutes. That would be a game changer, wouldn't it? That's where HumanPal was born. After years of development and testing, HumanPal comes with breakthrough features like human-sounding text-to-speech voices that are the world's best, ready-made video templates on top of that, where we've hired the world's best production crew, animators, and designers to create and craft these video templates that's so easy to use, where you can create blockbuster videos that I personally spent tens of thousands of dollars each over the past few years, well over hundreds of thousands of dollars. These designers have put together the best elements that are designed to convert, that are designed to actually captivate people's attention, and yes, designed to get you more leads, more sales, and more revenue without any extra copywriting skills or design skills or any of that mumbo jumbo stuff. And on top of that, it comes with our revolutionary drag and drop video editing system that was so awesome that when you actually use it, you will think this is the easiest video editing system that was ever built. And the reason why behind this is that it simplifies the video creation process, and you never want to go back to the old way of creating videos or editing videos when you see it. It also comes with subtitles and caption generator, which is automatic, meaning the syncing, the subtitling, and captions are automated and automatic. For ultimate flexibility, you can also create your very own digital human pal. That means you can create somebody out of thin air that you can utilize in your videos. These are copyright-free people who do not exist, and this makes it really powerful because you don't have to worry about it using any celebrities, videos, or anything like that. And the beauty is you can transform these people or any photo into a real live human spokesperson or a human pal in just a few clicks. And it's so easy that you can have unlimited human pals at your disposal because of the ability to transform your human pals from a simple photo, meaning you just upload a photo, it'll transform into a human pal, and it just takes a couple of clicks, super easy, and gives you ultimate freedom. Now let me show you some type of videos that you can create with HumanPal. First thing I'm going to show you is how you can create a standard green screen video with perfect lip sync in any language and in any accent, as well as with full HD 1080p quality. And you can create unlimited videos like this that you can export and then put it into any other application, like video editing applications of ours, or something like an Adobe Premiere or Adobe After Effects or Final Cut Pro with Apple, whatever you want to edit it further and do all kinds of other cool things. Because you can create unlimited videos, the potential is unlimited as well.
Upgrade your at-home coffee game with this sleek machine that can brew a cup of coffee or espresso with just a single push of a button. Whether you are grabbing a quick cup of coffee out of the door or service coffee to a crowd, this has you covered. With multiple brew sizes and a strong brew feature, you can enjoy a perfect coffee anytime.
Now let me show you some other types of videos you can create, such as a video in video template, a mock-up template, and as well as a virtual studio template that is very unique that only HumanPal has, which gives you a professional output every single time.
Looking to buy or sell a home? No problem, most realtors only want to sell your home. We go beyond that. We offer full service, leasing, property management and selling. So whether you want to sell the property now or keep the property as a long-term investment, we give you the option to choose what works best for individual financial situation.
Are you constantly bothered by back or neck pain? Were you in a car accident and just can't get rid of the constant aching? Do you frequently get headaches, nerve pain, or numbness? If so, you've come to the right place.
You're looking for a quality bakery for your next event. You probably have a lot of questions such as, do you create baked goods for the type of event I am having? Are you available for the date of my event? Or even, do your baked goods taste good? No matter your question, we have the answers.
So when we go into any application, right, let's say even HumanPal here in this case, let's go to create new video here. Now, we could have just stopped, let's say, just some text in front of the video, right? I mean, that would have been really awesome. That's what, applications which sell for a huge monthly fee and a lot of money out there, which don't even have that perfect lip sync or anything like that do. But or maybe we could have even gone ahead and done something like this with underlined box text, which is perfect, right? I mean, beautiful looking videos here. You have, kinetic animations, right? Like so, right? We could have had the typewriter effect like so, isometric text effects like so, right? We could have slideshows here like so. Now, we could have done all this stuff and it would have been really, really awesome. I mean, just the text effects alone, right? We went a step further than that by actually adding in these virtual video sets, mock-ups, billboard mock-ups, and all this stuff, because this is professional video creation. I mean, if you really look at some idea here of how professional we're talking, this is the same effects and animations I've used in my own business over the last decade or so, especially in the last 2 or 3 years alone, to make well over $10+ million in sales from our video sales pages and video demos and that kind of stuff, right? So when we're talking about actually being able to create videos that produce results like this from the very best in the business, then you have to follow along and pay attention to what I'm showing you, right? Because otherwise what's gonna happen is you're gonna miss out on some critical ways you can succeed on the internet, because speed of implementation is everything, right? And how quickly and how easy it is to create something matters, okay? So let's say we go into these mock-up templates here. Let's create one right out of the gate, right? So you go in here, just select one of these, right? And then what kind of animation do you want? I mean, we have different styles here. We're adding new ones all the time based on customer requests and that sort of thing. And so, for example, as you can see here, we have other ones here as well. So we have a product roadmap actually, which I'm going to get to show you in just a bit, but where you can actually request features and what kind of templates you want and that kind of good stuff. So then you don't have to really, wait for those features to come in. You're just going to do based on people's requests, right? So for example, let's say we are liking any one of these. Let's say I like this one, let's say, right? Click next, pick your spokesperson here. You see all these spokespersons here that I have. You pick one of them, right? So it can be anything really, but I like, let's say, here, Thomas Formo, let's say, like Thomas, because the last one here, but we're adding new ones, by the way, as I mentioned before. Now you want to start off with a script, okay? Now this can be anything. This could be a blog post. This could be, for example, an article. This could be, for example, just a video sales script, right? It could be anything really, and it's all up to you, right, on how you go about doing it. I mean, how do you want to do it? So for example, I have a script here that I wanted to kind of copy paste here. So let's copy and paste here. And then now this is basically a real estate video script. So then we just click on what kind of language we want it in. Or you can even, for that matter, use the auto translate button that you see here. You see this auto translate button? You can use that. You can translate the video right out of the gate, and you should be good to go into any language as well. So we have a bunch of these voices here, whichever one you like really. You can even preview them by clicking the play button like so, right? Whichever one suits you, you can just go in here and play and choose. Okay, it's that easy. So let's say I like the Thomas voice. And then I can go in here. And the beauty is, as I mentioned before, you can actually even go into import audio here and actually import a voiceover from anywhere else. I mean, this could be your own voiceover. This could be, for example, a professional voiceover given to you by a client, whatever it might be in any one of these languages. This is tons and tons of languages, right? You select that, you upload it, and automatically we're going to transcribe it and sync it, and the lip sync, all that stuff is done. This is, by the way, not done in any other application in the planet right now. Yes, that's true. No other application in the market can do it in so many languages. In fact, almost all the languages, right? Something like Thai language, for example. Every other application in the marketplace, regardless of the price, they can only do it in certain languages. Maybe one of the top 5, 6, 7 languages in the world, not basically hundreds of these languages, right? And that makes it very, very phenomenally powerful, okay? So now I can go back, click Thomas, I'll go in, I'll paste this, so I'll just show it to you real quick. Yeah, again, like I said, it can be in any language, okay? Now you can also choose the background music, and you can change the background music, or you can even upload your own background music as well. That's up to you. In some videos, it works really, really well. And for now, I'm just going to uncheck it, but it's up to you. You can use that as well. So now click next once you're done. So, and then as you can see here, we have all the scripts set up here, beautifully done, where it's going to create us a bunch of scenes. And now each scene will have its own set of animations and all that kind of good stuff. Now the beauty is here, you can even select and change things over how you want them to appear. So for example, let's say, for example, I want to add pauses in between. I could actually create the pauses based on the line breaks that are happening here. So for example, if I wanted to pause right after